In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 272 disconnection error. The first thing to do is to go to your Google web browser and log in your Roblox account, or just go to Roblox site. And then at the top right corner, you just have to click the three dots there and look for extensions. Now, the reason why you need to tap extension or go to extensions is that you need to disable or remove the extensions that can cause distractions or problems to your Roblox account. So if you see that there are extensions connected to Roblox, you have to disable or to remove that one because that could be the reason why your Roblox is experiencing error code 272. So after that, you can just refresh the site and try to play your Roblox. The second thing to do is to make sure that you don't have network problems. So you have to go to your network status and then look for a network troubleshooter. Okay, tap this one here under advanced settings, and then you just have to run it so that it can detect any problems. Okay, so after that, you can see the result here. So if there's no problem, then you can exit this one and proceed to the next step. So if those two methods didn't work, so you just have to uninstall your Roblox. In order to do that, you just have to type Roblox here and then click uninstall. So it will take you directly to this, and you have to look for Roblox again and click uninstall. So that's the third method. So after this, you need to restart your computer after uninstalling. So in order to do that, you just have to go to this side and click this one and click restart. So once everything's okay, you have to install again your Roblox. Now there are two ways Roblox. First is you have to go to Google web browser, log in your Roblox, and kind of tap any game here, tap the screen button. And then once you tap this, you have to click open Roblox. And then after that, your Roblox will start installing. Okay, but you have to click first this download. And then, yeah, it will appear here, and you just have to run that administrator and start playing. Now, number two is that you have to go to your Microsoft Store, okay, and then search for Roblox. Go to this search bar here, type Microsoft, okay, and then type Roblox, and then click Get. So I do hope that this fixed your Roblox error code 272 disconnection error. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.